on, Fred. Come on. Fred. Poor Fred. Poor Fred. You're so mean, BJ. Fred just wants to play. He just wants to play. Good girl. You're a good girl. You know how to protect yourself, don't you? Except he's not a big bad dog. I want you to protect yourself against big bad dogs, okay? And other big bad things. You know what? I am sitting on something that I shouldn't be sitting on. I was warned against that. That there could be a snake under there. I didn't even realize that was a ring on top of the pedestal. Oh, gotta be careful. Okay, fire's done. Hey everybody, Kay here from my homestead. Here's BJ. BJ's keeping an eye on Fred. As you may have noticed from my community page, Fred, there's Fred. He's about an 80-pound red golden, I guess they call it. Very, very well trained and well behaved, and just wants to play with the kitties, but BJ was having none of it. So I'm just doing a little burning because I had, a lot of stuff backed up, and I just said, oh gosh, I'm just too tired. Anyway, I'm still trying to get over this thing. Happy New Year. Sorry I haven't been online and in touch. They're just, I'm keeping track of what's going on in the world. I just haven't been commenting on it. That's just one box, okay? So gotta keep your eye on this stuff. Anyway, BJ, I'm going to turn this around, but I just wanted to. We haven't even talked about New Year's resolutions or anything, so I'm going to be late again as usual with all of that. But just bear with me. Uh-oh. Good boy, Fred. Good boy. Good boy. BJ. She's not taking her eye off him. That's 80 pounds of pure cowardice, okay? He's not going to get into it with you. Anyway, I just I wanted to check in and say hi, because I haven't been online at all, and I wasn't planning to do this, but I thought, you get to see a couple of beautiful animals and me burning some trash. Not trash, it's just cardboard. So I was hoping to get more done today, but it's not looking too good. Walker's got some, my son who's here, he's got some work calls, and so we'll just get done what we can. That's all you can do, right? I did get a filter changed in my big HVAC this morning. That was like a 5-minute job, so at least something got done. Anyway, I hope you all are getting off to a good start. I know that there's a lot of distractions, and you have to use discernment about what's going on and figure out, what is a false flag, what is a distraction, what is the real thing to be concerned about. It's hard to decide on that, and you usually gravitate towards something that's of interest to you, particular issues or whatever. And so we just don't know. We just don't know how it's going to go. But, I was watching Doug the other day on Off Grid with Doug and Stacy, and he's going to go, 24 is going to be lit. And it's true. I mean, I don't see any other way. The dollar's at its lowest value, and more nations are joining the BRICS system instead of, the USD being the world's premier currency. So we have to see how our so-called leaders manage the situation, and what they have in plan and have in store, and And also we have to rise up ourselves and say, you know, what the government's supposed to work for us, not the other way around. But since about 1871, it's been the other way around. If you do your history, look back at 1871, and if you don't know, look it up. See what changed in 1871 in this country. So, just pro tip, we became a corporation instead of a constitutional republic. And that was a deal that was masterminded by the powers that be, the Crown and the Vatican and all that jazz. So, you know, just when you spend your whole life thinking you're in a sovereign nation and you realize you're not, it's an eye-opener. And so we figure, you know, we have to decide, where do we go from here? And there are 231 brave souls that have sent a letter, I should say, to the American people, former military, and not sure if anybody's current, maybe current and former military, have signed a contract with America, and they've sent it, and they said they're going to protect the people and uphold the Constitution. What a concept! Wouldn't that be something? Wouldn't that be just the best thing that could possibly happen? And this letter went out on the 1st of January, so and that's the best news I've heard all, you know, in a long time. So, and you know, I commend anybody that stands up against tyranny, and so we have to stand behind those individuals. And there's actually a petition that anybody can sign. And I will put the link below the video if you want to go there and sign it. And it's, I don't know if I can, because it might be taken down, because they've really been attacked ever since they set up the website. But anyway, there is good news. Finally, some good news. So God bless you. Have a great week. And I hope to get back making videos pretty soon. It's just, you know, I don't know. I don't know what this cold is, but I've never had a cold that lasted for weeks and weeks. You just start to feel better, and then you start to feel bad. So what is that? I don't know. But anyway, I'm feeling pretty good today, and hope to get a lot done. And I'll show you a few more views, and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've had a lot of subscribers dropping off. I don't know if YouTube is taking them away, unsubscribing people. People tell me that they're not getting notifications for my videos, and so I don't know if it's the platform or what. Or if it's just, you know, people have moved on. I've been on YouTube for, I don't know. Well, I've been on YouTube for a really long time, but my channel's been here 12 years, and I've never gone back and unsubscribed to a channel that I at one time followed. And you know, you have to do something pretty egregious for me to put a thumbs down or to unsubscribe. And that just never happens, because, you know, most people have good intentions and want to succeed on YouTube. You know, it's the whole point, is we want to have views, we want to have ad revenue, you know, to pay our expenses and stuff. So anyway, just make sure you check, go down and scroll down and click all again and see if you've been unsubscribed. And don't forget to go to my website, in case, who knows, in case, you know, they've been talking about it for a long time. I don't know if it'll happen or not, but they've been talking about the internet going down, or them putting down the internet, and you know, reducing our ability to get truth and good information. So make sure you subscribe at my website, which is latebloomershow.com, and go to the contact page and just put in your first name and your email, so that I can at least send out an email if, you know, if I need to get in touch with you, if for any reason, I don't know why they would be, but you never know if we're going to get taken down or whatever. People talking about survival and growing your own food and everything, and plant medicine. We could be a threat to you know who. So anyway, thanks so much for listening. God bless you, and I hope you're off to a great start, much better than me. So I'll see you in the next video. Fred, 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 bring me your stick. Fred, get your stick. Where's your stick? Get your stick. Come here, I'll throw it. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. Bring me your stick. Come on. Come over here. Give me your stick. Give me your stick. Come here. You want me to throw it? Come here. Good boy. I'm checking your vision. Okay, you ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Good boy. You sort of sound like a horse when you gallop by. In a milder way. Drop it. Drop it. Good boy. Okay, drop it. Good boy. Good boy. We got this going now, don't we? Good boy. Hey, fix your ear. Fix your ear. Oh, there you go. Drop it. Drop it. Good boy. Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Wait. Wait. I fooled you. Hey, right here. Fred. Right here. Good boy.